Remember when we did Major Girl?
Major Girl.
It turned Community to One into like a show.
Yeah.
Just from a studio session. That's the kind of love you have from people. And it's not going to change. It's not going to go anywhere. You know, so that has been my issue. So when I call him and he does something, there are things that I speak to you about I don't sit on radio and say. Did they know that I was the one telling you guys to go and talk to
No, they didn't.
every artist
No, they didn't.
prior to VGMA?
No,
Yes,
they
it's
didn't.
behind the scenes stuff that we need to do.
Yeah.
So I keep telling him, in Kofodo, people love you and it will never go away. So you should not, the extra stuff, maybe it's brand positioning, but guess what? If you say certain things that goes overboard, I can't still be smiling and act like it's okay. So that is when the advice bit came in. So it came purposely just because we've been talking about this back and forth, but when we have the conversation, the next morning I'll hear something else. So we just had to move from that, past that. But it will never go away for what I feel for Shatta Wale. Until we straighten that side, because I still miss him to today. My wife will tell you. Say there are certain things I see because when I talk to Wale, we don't even talk about music. The best show phone so I could say yeah, baby. And those things I still miss. But we need to straighten our relationship as people moving forward.
So things are a little tough between you two now, a little
Not
rough.
tough. I don't even know what it is at this point because until me, I see that we are clear and there's no it's different if you say, oh, me call radio when they make say now that one I know you're joking.
Yeah.
Because there are things that he said I used to laugh a lot,
Yeah.
even when he's talking about me.
Yeah.
But then I felt it was
It
being
was
exactly
overboard.
consistent. Yes. Then we had to have a conversation.